Hello children. Today we are going to read the first chapter of our book. The name of the chapter is The Class Play. This is the first page of our chapter and you can see it is a scene of a classroom. You can see some children and a teacher and they are talking about something. Let's read it and find out what they are talking about. The children are excited. Today they are going to talk about their class play. Well, children, what do you think we should put up for a class play this year? Should we do a fairy tale or an animal story? How about Superman? Why not Batman? How will anyone fly in the hall or climb over walls? The children discuss different ideas. How about Aladdin? Why not Iron Man? Why don't you all read some stories at home and we'll talk about it tomorrow? That's a good idea. Let's do that. So children, in this story we have seen the teacher and the students. They all are very excited. And why they are excited? Because the teacher has just announced that their class is going to present a play that year. And she wants the children to give ideas regarding the theme of that play. That what theme they should select for the class play. And so the children, they start giving the ideas. One child suggested that they should do a Superman play. But the other was of the opinion that they should do Batman play. But there is a little girl, Renu, also in the class. She feels that they should not go for Superman or Batman because they are not real characters. They fly and they climb over walls, but for a normal human being, in actual life, it is not possible for any human being to fly or climb over walls like this, isn't it? I hope you also agree with Renu, don't you? Okay, but the discussion did not end over here. It continued for some time. There were many children, they were giving their ideas. Some were saying that they should go with Aladdin, but some said that Iron Man would be a good idea. So there was confusion and they could not come to a final decision. So the teacher suggested something. And what was the suggestion? Yeah, the suggestion was that they should borrow some books from the school library, take them home, read them, and then the next day they should come back to school and they would discuss about this topic, and then they would decide what theme that they should select. So this idea that was given by the teacher was accepted by all the children and they said that it was a very good idea. With this, we come to the end of our first page. So you read it and enjoy. Tomorrow we are going to do the second page. Till then, bye.